namataka ni vaka dhambi singa.
So very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Selamat pagi. Afrika ngopuru ataya fuma na vatonga wale walelei pasamoa fiala ofofo
fiala ofofo natokin mambala
igo safil tagana no bola sise. Thank you so much BSP and PUNJAS breakfast crackers for controlling this system, connecting you to the laughter of in the car, bus, minibus, and also those of you in overseas. So ladies and gentlemen, I am wearing a black band or a black raven.
Right.
This is to ensure people to show me that I have nothing to do with anything that will make me dry like a grog, will make me dizzy like alcohol, and make my lips darker like smoking BH. So I am in a bit tumble for 3 months from now onwards.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Isa. Nisan ayo man, tawa kimo bala.
Typically apakuki Morel. After 2 years for being there in England. Sangay appointed ko me British Army starting from today.
Oh, congratulations.
Apakuki Morel. Sangay start to go ka. TIKO.
British Army.
If you want to be a British Army DEMS, you have to be strong like a mommy.
Like a mommy.
Okay, to sa ating buhay na matangani ko, ouch!
Right.
Okay, kira mo naman daw tagaman na ito mo sa laglag na matangani ko. Okay, lai tutut chochi, au tuta ka nga may lomanin basi, au tuta ka nga may lomanin basi. Mete ko may nusori, may ado may suba. Au so may nakini basi lebe suba. E tandresar nga nawunin dimbingo.
Oh, Grandpa George. I'm standing or I'm stretching myself inside the passage of the bus.
Right.
I even feel the pain at the back of my side, at the hip beside my haha. I knew that something is wrong until the bus stand.
No. Kita mas ili ka matari kero bi out.
Okay. Ramadan go.
Go ba kami? Gorong.
Ramadan, okay. Dau bengu. Ang boy rata sarang namuli kunda munda mugor.
My husband's sister. I'm jealous of your skirt.
Okay, domo. Musi na uli niya, ni suruto na musi non rodo, ni doon may ruwaso at kaya silika, karo ruplen, may doon non rodita ng buge. Musi na uli niya, ni suruto na musi non ruso at kaya silika. Ni ngono sa namin bibi may kina silika, gito ko yung taliwa, may baka sudumi papa.
In his head, it's very painful because he supposed, or they planned with a silika.
Right.
When Aslika is about to approach Inia to the love memory of the lipstick to kiss each other, the baby is still crying from the back. So Aslika went back and saw the baby and said to
Papa,
I don't want to go to Dada.
And Dada got angry.
And Dada look for another Asilika.
Okay, go out.
Okay, my. Seti, one din na tuibay. And narugo ni ulumbuke ang binito kinanak combo.
You want to difficult yourself. Inside that hair, there's a lot of small mountains.
The
tongue keep on blurring because he keeps on wiping his tongue in the mango skin.
Okay. Beira que na leonia sa
Dono.
E kawa de ndundua o tema.
For all the girls in Mayaste, Tema is like the dog's tail.
Okay, tema siguri.
Okay. Oile eu reba kananga siya. E kadivia may baka manibusi. Ngay mbombo matayindua may.
Oh, I'm afraid of that gentleman look like a mongoose. He keeps on calling me, but his eyes keep on closing. You mongoose face.
Okay, ucho ko bikin to out sa matani ko. Arto ang nga naluriti minirto pamutaki kali. Dopon dono buwan dona tekali ya isaranga nelona ni taronga tale. They keep on pumping Kali.
pumpkin Kali. Because Kali was left behind with his breath. So eventually, they took the inhaler and throw the head of Kali.
Hey, okay, bako tanga weekend toko sarungo te sarungo talan matanga ni kuwa. Mosi na ulu ini ya, ni surutan na busi nonroa sota pati kia silika. Ningono saranga to dormi bibi mekini vale, materi katumba. Gai tukuri talebua, me baka sudu mi papa.
Inia was sneezing in front of the bush. Because he knew Asilika went back to look or peep the child. Because they're supposed to meet in an angle. But Inia keep on sneezing in front of the bush. So when Asilika went back and saw the baby, he said, she said, baby, I don't want to go back to Dada.
And Dada got angry.
And Dada got angry. Dada looked for another Asilika.
Ini ada berapa kata sarna Dada?
Hello.
Di borong sih mana matak ni geram ni gua. Kau tu mai tawa kau mai kanda bungo. Kau tu mata serem kau. Kau nak cakap pula ni wasai liwa.
Kau pula geram nak. When Asilika left, he heard the voice of the papa like a mongoose.
Want to drink milk?
Want to drink milk? But India is waiting for the milk. That is so Palagi show, bosan to belenga tune to connection. Kita na sagami kita mo min para taka. Ano na sa? Man pusta ko memura.
And Dada was upset.
And Dada was upset. So Dada looked for another mama. Kami bila tiba kami kan sarah sama cuma nama takani kuah. Dada menangon dalam biru ngondom dalam kira mataka. Rocks na muta na VEITOKONI. Namale PUNJAS breakfast crackers KBSB.